guys, so let's just go ahead and jump right into this unit. I'm really excited about this unit. I like wigs like this. Anyway, so the unit I have for you is from Mayde Beauty again. Mayde Beauty. It's called the Supra Curl, and I have her in the color FFJ 130. Seriously, why can't we just say we have her in cherry, we have her in orange? We gotta be having all these numbers and social security numbers on these wigs. This wig right here is Supra Curl, and I had this wig that I used to wear. It was like a half wig. Let's go ahead and take her out. She's beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that color. Ooh, it's a beautiful color, and fall is coming up. Ooh, this color is nice. All right, yeah, so I had this wig I used to wear. It was like this outre half wig, Peruvian wig, and I could like leave out half of my hair and then just like wear her, and everybody was like in love with that wig. Oh my goodness, it was so cheap. Oh, sorry mama. It was economically friendly. It was very affordable. Oh, we can't say cheap. If it was cheap, it was cheap. Shoot. Anyway, so this wig right here, look at her. Look at this stock card, first of all. I picked her up because I saw the nice little wavy pattern, and I was like, I want to try her out because one, she has that lace parting in the front. Let's go ahead and start with the specs. Here. 2 combs in the front and adjustable strap in the back. The other one was a half wig, so that's why I was like, I need a lace version of this. I really need to upgrade to a human version, but you know what? We gonna save our coins right now and just do the synthetic version. So we're not human hair ready right now. You know, sometimes you gotta fake it till you make it, sis. You gotta fake it. I got this unit from Wigtypes, and I love Wigtypes because like to me they come really fast, and their colors are like always in stock. So I got them from Wigtypes, and currently she retails for like, I think like 23 bucks. Anyway, look at that color. Look at that color in the back of that wig, and then the front, like, and then the front looks like it's gonna have these framing highlights in the front. Ooh, child, I'm excited about this wig. All right, let's go ahead and put her on. I didn't even really do anything to the front. I just feel like a wig. You should put her on and go. Or I might just be lazy. But I'm just spraying this curl and wavy stuff that I got from my local beauty supply store. So for the most part, she is, ooh, look at her. Look at where she falls on me. Oh my goodness, I can't even reach that far. Okay, she's coming down to my butt. And she's really gorgeous. Okay, so how I feel about this unit. First of all, this color is very fall friendly. I love it. She feels really soft. She's really soft, and this is like a nice like wet and wavy look. That's synthetic. So that means, with that said, we are not wetting her to make her wavy. She already came wavy. Please, ladies, synthetic is synthetic. She came with this pattern. We gonna keep it like that. I would probably add a little bit more of this spray. Okay, yeah, that definitely makes a difference with that. I want to add too much product because with these synthetic units, the product can like build. It's not human, so it it can build up. Okay. Yeah, so this is gorgeous. This is really, really pretty. Tell me what y'all think about this. Tell me what kind of unit you like that looks like this. That, you know, let's have a conversation about this, because I feel like a lot of companies come out with like the same type of hair, same type of unit, you know, but this one is very, very lovely. Very put on your head, let's go girl, let's go, let's go. I want to take you out tonight. Okay, let me put my wig on real quick. Boom, put your wig on, let's go. That's what this is. Very beginner friendly. I'm not getting I'm actually shedding a little bit, just a little bit, but I feel like, I mean, it's not too bad. I think it's just the initial shedding. I didn't have to cut a lace. I didn't have to do any of that. But tell me what you think about this unit. Please like, subscribe, comment in the description box below. And I will see you lovely people later.